So you're thinking about moving to Lakeway, Texas? Well, stick with us because we're going to show you some very cool areas of Lakeway, Texas. In our last video, we focused mainly on Old Lakeway, where my wife and I happen to live in Old Lakeway. We love it there. But this area here is called the Peninsula at Rough Hollow, which is brand new high-end construction that you're going to absolutely adore. And so again, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe below and hit that bell so that you'll be one of the first to know what's going on in the Austin area. Make sure you shoot us a text and give us a call or send us an email. Or better yet, let's get on a Zoom call sometime and make sure we get a smooth move to Austin, Texas. I want to introduce my beautiful wife, Shara Parker.
Hey everybody, it's Shara. Super excited to be here. We're going to be talking about the rough life in Rough Hollow, Lakeway, Texas. Today we are going to go explore a home. Thanks to our friend Steve DeDeer, listing agent of this beautiful home, we are going to take you in and let you experience what the peninsula is all about, what Rough Hollow is all about, and the gracious living that you can enjoy. I'm sure you can hear the construction in the background. I'm sure you can see that there is quite an amount of construction happening. There's homes in various stages and in every stage of construction. And if you're interested in a custom home, there are a number of custom builders. There's still some land here. And I don't know if you saw where we started with the lake only 40% full. You're still getting full on lake views right here.
And we're getting after it right now.
Welcome in. Again, this is Arbogast Custom Homes. This home boasts over 5,300 square feet, amazing views, 5 bedrooms, and 5.5 baths. So where do you start? The attention to detail is from ceiling to floor, floor to ceiling. And for me, I always head to the outdoor living. Let's take a look at the pool, the views. You've brought the outside in and the inside out. This is my favorite part about the home. While the indoor living is gracious, we do have about 9 months a year where you could actually enjoy the pool, the outdoor living, the fire pit, of course. Look at the views. The views are absolutely incredible. You feel like you're just on your own little mountaintop. Below us is a cove. So the gorgeous pool feels like you just are swimming right off the edge of the cliff. There's nobody around. Incredible hot tub. So you can enjoy evenings, mornings, get your laps in, enjoying the outdoor lifestyle of Rough Hollow. This is the epitome of the rough life. We've enjoyed the outdoors. If you'll notice, there are entrance and access points all around the exterior. You can enjoy the game out here. If you're a horns fan, huck 'em horns. Come on back in and let's explore the home. Another amazing point in this home is the kitchen. This is typically command central for any home, and the island is incredible. You've got plenty of space for someone to sit as you're cooking. Your appliances, of course, top end. I love the way the vent hood's done. Again, no expenses spared. So even the chefs, the pickiest of chefs, has an amazing place to be able to cook. So right off of the kitchen, super easy access, lots of storage space. So your private chef will have everything they need at their fingertips. The mud room right off of the 3-car garage. And look at the laundry room. Very tasteful, very timeless. You've got beautiful surfaces and finishes throughout. Room for another fridge or freezer in here. And a closet to hide the vacuum and the cleaning supplies. There's glass in almost every inch of this home. As you can see, the whole home is designed around the view and the lifestyle of lakeside living. This is an amazing game room, video room, entertainment room. So whatever your sport, your hobbies, you can enjoy gorgeous views, lots of sunlight, and even the stars. Complete bath. So we have a full bath right off of the kitchen and in this game room area. About this floor plan is that every room has gorgeous windows but still feels private and has a center focal point around the living and the kitchen area. Private bath, ensuite, and closet. It's a sizable secondary room. Let's go upstairs and then we'll come back down to the master. What a fun space. Again, you've got a second living. So with kids, you've got bunk space. If you use this as a second home, then you've got plenty of room for the grandkids, the kids' friends, places to hang. One of the secondary bedrooms is set up as a gym. I love what they've done with the floor. You got your TV for your workouts, whether you're on your Peloton or you're lifting some weights. This is set up as a bedroom with the ensuite and the walk-in closet. And then you've got two bedrooms upstairs. On this end, the front end of the home, again, walk-in closet and ensuite in each bedroom, all with impeccable finishes. You've got the 5-inch baseboards. This home was built in 2020 and lives new. It is incredibly well maintained. Look at the unique features in the shower, all beautiful surfaces and unique combinations in every room. Access to the ensuite for the game room, second living space. But look at the amazing windows and the space in this room. Each room is just light-filled and spacious. The perfection of a 3-car garage. There's ample space for the convertible, the pickup, and the family car, as well as having your stand-up paddle boards and all of your beach accessories. Beautiful windows and light in here. The floor's already sealed for you. So this is set up as an additional bedroom or a study. I think it's an immaculate study. I love the attention to detail with the ceiling and the ceiling fan, the big gorgeous windows. This would be my office, but it is set up as a bedroom. Again, look at the detail to the finishes in the powder room. The home does boast 5.5 baths. For you art enthusiasts, your light is already hung. You can put your favorite piece of art right there. Such an incredible focal point when you enter the home and come into this wing. The fireplace is gas. You can see it'll sparkle in the evenings. Gorgeous ambiance. And if you have been wondering, where are we going to lay our heads? What an amazing space for the primary suite. The lake is right behind you, your head. The pool is a focal point when you awaken. High ceilings. It feels like you just are cocooned in a wonderful, come on into the ensuite. You got a beautiful soaking tub, freestanding, awesome chandelier. Can you just imagine a little relaxing bubble bath with a little glass of champagne? Leave the cares of the day behind. The walk-in shower has a place for your towels. The closet is a whole nother room. You could make this feels like a store. You do have your built-ins, so you don't have to clutter up the master suite. Floor to ceiling storage and additional shelving. Thank you for joining me on this tour. What an amazing opportunity to share some of the luxury of Rough Hollow, the gracious lifestyle that is available. This is listed just under $4 million at $3.9 million. This gorgeous home sits on 1.79 acres and is just under 5,400 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, Amazing pool, amazing hill country views behind the gates at the peninsula of Rough Hollow. Now let's go check out our next listing.
Welcome back to our channel, everybody. We're so glad you're with us. We are in the heart of Rough Hollow. Actually, this is Highland Boulevard. If you go down this way toward Highland Boulevard, you'll end up in Bee Cave area off of Highway 71. If you come back this way, you'll come back to the heart of Lakeway. Rough Hollow is a huge development, which is very attractive. Their little slogan is living the rough life, which is kind of a pun because I don't see a lot of people living it hard here. My name is Mark Hairston, and my company is Texas Mortgage Source. That's right, I am not a realtor, I'm a mortgage broker. And for most people, when they're shopping for a house, whether it be on Zillow or YouTube like you guys are, that's actually step number 2. Step number 1 is to get pre-approved for a mortgage. So make sure this fits into your budget. You want to make sure that you're comfortable with what you're looking at to buy in Rough Hollow as an example. So look me up, text me or email me, or let's get on a Zoom call, make sure we have a smooth move to Austin, Texas.
Okay, everybody, I'm excited. We are still here in Rough Hollow, and there are some amazing deals to be had right now. We're going to go into a 2022 new build, never lived in, still available. Absolutely gorgeous. It is 1.5 stories, 4 bedroom, 3 bath, 3138 square feet on a 1/4 acre lot. And you can see the landscape is actually mature already. We have a gorgeous 3-car garage facade. So the curb appeal is already inviting. And this home is reduced from $1,017,000 to $874,990. Come on in and let's check it out. You can see the attention to detail when you look at the door and look at the quality of the construction. This particular home is on a green belt, so not all homes in this price range are green belt. This is fairly entry level and an amazing deal. I love helping clients move to the area. The rough life is an exceptional way of living. You've got top rated schools in the Lakeway Independent School District, and an amazing lifestyle. So look at this yard. You've got a darling sunroom here, or a bonus room. Nothing like taking you straight to the outside, but I always check out the outdoor living. Gorgeous deck. It's already plumbed for you to put your it's already plumbed for your gas grill, for your outdoor kitchen. Again, this is a 1/4 acre lot, so you've got a mass amount of space to go ahead and put in your pool if you choose, but no neighbors directly behind you. Isn't this gorgeous? It's protected. The green belt is protected, so you'll never have neighbors directly behind you. Open floor plan, just look at the flow. The natural light just filters right through. It is a gorgeous sunny afternoon. The back side of the home is all windows with sliding patio doors. I love the fact that you've got a little color, a little design in your backsplash. Just absolutely beautiful. The charming white cabinets, 6-burner gas stove, amazing for the chef. This is an Electrolux, which is a top of the line with your vents here, so you don't have to worry about steaming up the house. But Mom, you can watch the kids or you can watch the football game if you're the chef. In our household, it's Mark. Layout. Big pantry. Darn, I'm still captivated by the views. There's hill country views everywhere. Love the built-ins. It's so nice to have the built-ins here. Voila! Check out the primary. I love the fact that there is no carpet and you've got these gorgeous wood look floors. Super neutral tones. You notice there's no lights on in the home, and the natural light is amazing. So you've got the large shower with the bench tiled all the way to the ceiling. Love the fact that you've got the soaking tub. Soak away the day's cares, the cares of the day. Split vanity and closet. All right, darling rooms, lots of natural light, high ceilings, 8-foot doors throughout, 3,138 square feet, 1.5 stories, 4-bedroom home. Love the higher windows. This makes for really great office space, even though there's a closet in here. Laundry room with a sink. So you've got the basin, clean out all those little dirty clothes right here by the kiddo rooms. If you'd like to see this house or some like it, if you're interested in the rough life in Rough Hollow in the fantastic Lake Travis School District, call, text, email, or better yet, let's do a Zoom. We'll walk you through the home yourself. And here we are in Rough Hollow again. I love Rough Hollow. I love the rough life. It's an amazing place to raise a family with award-winning schools. And this is a new build. It was completed in 2022 and prices have been slashed. So I want to talk about this. This home is over 3,200 square feet. 2 bedrooms on the main level, 2 bedrooms up. It has a beautiful lot, 8,860 square feet, brand new construction. And it is gorgeous stone and stucco. Love the sweeping staircase on the inside, and you can't ask for a better location than Rough Hollow. You've got a 2.3 tax rate, easy access to the lazy river, the pools, the tennis courts, the grill, Canyon Grill, and the marina. So come see us. All of this for $814,000, an amazing value. Just a year ago, these homes were selling for over $1 million. So now's an incredible time. $814,000, over 3,200 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths in Rough Hollow. Give us a call, text, email, or let's schedule a Zoom. We'll do a personal tour of any home you'd like to see in this area.
Hey guys, we had so much fun showing you guys around Rough Hollow, which is one of the jewels of living in Lakeway, Texas, where we happen to live. We love it out here. So again, if you're in the market to buy property in the Lakeway area, you definitely want to check out Rough Hollow for all the amenities that it has, all the new construction it has. Price points are fantastic. So you are in the market to look at Lakeway, Texas as your next home. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or better yet, let's jump on a Zoom call so we can make sure that we get you a smooth move to Lakeway. And happy trails.